Hey, that's top-notch content right there. That is fire. Y'all see that? What's up, y'all? It's Tight Shirt Terry Warfield, and I am taking an evening stroll. So nice out here. It's finally a warm day in Cleveland. But I want to tell y'all something. First of all, be thankful you freaking woke up today. Second of all, stop complaining so much, because there are people who would love to have your freaking problems. And third of all, I noticed something very different about myself as I sat down today and my thoughts, etc. Let me elaborate. So, last 2 years for a lot of people have sucked, right? We had the human malware, we had all of these crazy wars, political issues going on. Then you compound the personal stuff that we go through, all the stuff that we go through. I know stuff that I've been going through, even in the last couple months, have just been wild. Not the best situations. But when you throw all of that in the pot, yeah, last year or two has been a little rough. Now, again, I know first world problems. It's people that will love to have our problems, as I said, but I got to talk about Terry Warfield. Now, before I get into this thing that I found that I've lost, that you might have lost too, I want to say this. There are like 4 things that I've never let go of. Number 1, my grind, my hustle. Never let go of that. I'm always on the grind. In fact, it's probably gotten stronger. Let me crank the ISO a little bit. Hold on. Sony ZV-1, by the way, with your little Ulanzi wide angle grip with the Deity D3 on top. But yeah, my grind, my hustle never stops, right? Second thing, my loyalty to my friends, my family, people I care about, never stops. Third thing, my fitness grind, my fitness journey never stops. My health is very important to me. Fourth thing, my passion for cameras, filmmaking, photography has never left me. Now, don't get it twisted. Y'all know I'm a nerd. I love a lot of things. I love weapons. I love computers. I love tech. I love all of that stuff. Love people. Love my family. Love myself. But my love for photography and filmmaking has never gone away. And if you think about it, I've said this before in other videos, we spend all this money on these cameras. Do you realize how amazing cameras are? Like, you can literally press a freaking button and capture a moment in time that you can always relive as long as you preserve the media. What else can you do that with? There's nothing else out there unless y'all know some stuff I don't know. So listen, what I noticed about myself is I used to take my camera everywhere. I'm talking about everywhere. Everything I did, it was a camera in my hand. Everywhere I went, people knew that if Terry Warfield comes, it's a camera with him. And it's going to be some fire photos, fire videos that's going to come along with it. And you know why I used to do that? It's because I love it. Like, photography is dope. Creating stuff, it's therapeutic. Photography is amazing to me. Creating stuff visually, films, videos, whatever you want to call them. Like, it's so therapeutic to me, and I stopped doing it. And that for me is a problem. And I didn't realize I stopped doing it until today. I was just kind of, like I said, sitting down doing some reflecting, like, man, I ain't really took my camera out the house besides for making YouTube videos, which I'm doing right now, and client work. I haven't actually took it out the house for me in a long time. And I used to do that all the time. So listen, I guess why I'm making this video is a lot of y'all might be going through the same thing. You might have that thing in life you used to do that brought you all of this joy, fulfillment, and all of that stuff. And sometimes life gets so freaking cloudy, you lose sight of that stuff. That's a vicious attack dog barking at me. But you lose sight of those things. So whether it be photography, whether it be filmmaking, whether it be shooting pool, you know, whatever the case may be, sometimes we get so wrapped up and lost in what's going on in life that we forget to do these things that, you know, make us happy. And I'm not saying that that's the only thing that makes me happy in life, but that's one thing that I know I used to do that I stopped doing. So yeah, if you suffer from anything like this, my challenge today to you and me is to get back in your bag. Get it back. I love filming. I love photography. I got all of these cameras. I spent all of this money on this gear, and I let it sit here, and I use it for money, but I don't use it for enjoyment. And it's time to change that. And it's time for you to do the same thing. Change whatever it is in your life that you used to do, that you used to love, as long as it's legal. and get that back. Anyways, I'm out of here. I'm gonna get some dinner. Got a podcast tonight, so peace and chicken grease. Much love, y'all. Terry Warfield. Peace.